Hi, it's Wes and Jason, and you're watching Disney Channel. Dun 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 dun. What? Okay. Hi, it's Wes and Jason, and these are 20 math words and where they came from. Okay. Oval comes from the Latin word ove, which means egg. What? Calculus comes from the Latin word calc, meaning pebble for reckoning or counting. Did you know that it was also created by Isaac Newton, who also created the concept of gravity? He didn't create it, he discovered it.
That's good, that's good.
It's fine. Honestly. Google is the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. Google, the company, used it to express how much information they have organized. I'm totally not reading from a script. 0 comes from the Arabic cipher, meaning cipher in English. Octagon comes from the Greek word octa, meaning 8. Did you also know that the UFC ring design, the octagon, also comes from the Chuck Norris movie The Octagon, which is about a retired kickboxer fighting terrorists? I know, pretty weird, right? Digit comes from the Latin word digitus, meaning fingers. You know, get it? Because you count with your fingers. Yeah. Leave me alone. Circle comes from the Latin word circle, meaning above, like the sun. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Fibonacci wrote about the sequence in a book to explain rabbit population.
The Fibonacci sequence starts out with one rabbit, but to explain the rabbit population, he described them as multiplying. 1 plus 0, since nothing is to the side, equals 1. Same with the other side. So you go 1 plus 0 equals 1. Next time you add to the 2 ones that are above the product. So for example, if you were to go 1 plus 1, that would equal 2, and then 1 plus 0, that's 1. Then you would go 1 plus 0, 1, and then 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 1 plus 0 equals 1. Then you would have to go 1 plus 0 equals 1, 1 plus 3 equals 4, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 1 plus 0 equals 1. And this would go on for however long, and he would explain this as how rabbit population was spreading.
A hexagon comes from the Greek word hexa, meaning 6. Beehives have hexagons in them.
Okay, there you go.
Yes! Algebra comes from the medieval Arabic word aljabar, meaning restoration.
Okay.
Restoration from letters to numbers.
The Pythagorean theorem is a theorem used to define the hypotenuse of a triangle. Hypotenuse comes from the Greek word hypotenusa, meaning line. So the exact theorem would be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And the hypotenuse is, in any right triangle, it is this long thing. So from right here, this is the hypotenuse, and this is the Pythagorean theorem.
That's it? Pentagon comes from the Greek word penta, meaning 5. That's a kind of a pentagon. Kind of.
Let's zoom in there.
That's a pentagon. This is math. Oh, the Pentagon has more office space than the Empire State Building, making it technically larger. So this is larger than the Empire State Building.
On to the park. Cone comes from the Greek word konos, meaning pine cone.
Parabola comes from the Greek word parable, meaning to throw. Prism comes from the Greek word prisma, meaning
Cube
something
comes from
solid.
the Greek word kybos, meaning cube or to die.
Radius comes from the word ray.
Helix comes from the Greek word helsin, meaning to turn.
Torus is a Latin word and it means donut shaped. That's a good donut.